When is your bus? When is your class? When is your birthday? When are you free? When is the next meeting? When is your exam? When is she available? When is it time to go? When are the students in school? When is he in his office? When are they usually here? When was the test? When was he at home? When were you sick? When was the event? When was she in school? When were they in India? When was it your turn? When was I wrong? When was the function? When were you at the shop? When will the meeting be? When will you be at work? When will she be back? When will the show be? When will I be free? When will they be ready? When will he be home? When will the guests be here? When shall we be there? When will the school be open?